We are pleased to introduce DMR, a new demining robot made in Japan. For a long time, demining operations have been conducted very close to explosives. Even today, in minefields across countries contaminated with landmines, deminers crouch down and use prodders and shovels to excavate and locate hidden landmines. However, there is a possibility that the direction of some landmines underground may change over time after they are buried, due to factors such as rainfall and landslides. If a deminer happens to be in the direction that the detonation switch of landmine is facing during demining operations, it poses a significant risk to the deminer. DMRs help solve this problem, as DMRs can excavate minefields by remote control. Deminers can maintain a safe distance between themselves and the landmines. Operating the DMR remote controller is simple and easy. Since some excavating operations of the robot are stored in the control system, once an operator presses a button on the remote controller, the DMR starts its automatic programmed operation. When the work is completed, the DMR sends a notification to the operator. DMRs use compressed air to excavate minefields, which is one of the best technologies for locating landmines underground. The advantages of using compressed air include: it can avoid being interrupted by underground obstacles, such as tree roots, grass roots, and stones. It can excavate minefields more quickly than manual operation. Is there any possibility that landmines will explode by blowing strong air like this? We conducted a computational fluid dynamics analysis through a specialized laboratory based on information such as the pressure and flow rate of the compressed air used by the DMRs, the shape of the air nozzles of the DMRs, and the approximate size of anti-personnel landmines. The results show that the DMRs can efficiently excavate minefields by blowing compressed air at a force not exceeding 5 kgf, which is generally considered the load needed to detonate anti-personnel mines. We also conducted tests to blow the compressed air from the DMR to some deactivated landmines. As a result, we confirmed that the detonators of the landmines were not turned on. DMRs ensure the safety of deminers and shorten operations without the risk of detonating landmines. Because DMRs are easy to operate, the DMR team from CMAC in Cambodia was able to master the basic operation after only 3 days of training. Typically, in manual demining operations, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to remove a landmine at a single detected point. However, in Cambodia, DMRs take only 60 to 90 seconds to blow compressed air to complete the excavation of a minefield. Including the time required to move and set up the DMR, as well as the time to start the compressor, the excavation at a single point can be completed in less than 5 minutes. We introduced DMR for safe and fast demining operations. With DMRs, we hope to contribute to achieving a mine-free world.